Now we will see the next recent trend, that is cloud to the edge computing. So edge computing describes the computing technology in which the information processing and content collection and delivery are placed closer to the sources of the information. Such technology is directly related to IoT and that expands the implication on sources of information. Actually, in context of IoT, edge refers to the computing infrastructure that exists close to the sources of data. We can take example of industrial machines, industrial controllers, and integrated building management systems. So all they are aggregating the data from variety of equipments and sensors. So these devices typically reside away from the centralized computing available in the cloud. SCADA is a remote control IBMS, and IBMS is the automation system for control of machinery and services in large building complexes. So edge computing, we can say, is pushing the frontier of computing applications, data and services away from centralized nodes to the logical extremes of a network. It enables the analytics and data gathering to occur at the sources of data. And this approach requires the leveraging resources that may not be continuously connected to the network, such as laptops, smartphones, tablets, and sensors. So the edge computing identifies the predictive maintenance, reducing cost, security assurance, higher reliability, rapid deployment of new process and models. Then the next technique is intelligent platforms, and we can say them as the conversational platforms. So the conversational platform will derive a paradigm shift in which the burden of translating the intent shifts from user to computer. So these systems are capable of answering simply how's the weather, or more complicated interactions like book a reservation at a particular restaurant. So these platforms will continue to evolve to more complex actions, such as collecting oral testimony from the crime witness and acting on the information by creating sketch of the suspect's face. So the challenge that the conventional platforms face is that users must communicate in a very structured way, and this is often generally a frustrating experience. So the primary differentiator among conversational platforms will be the robustness of their conversational models and the API and event models used to access, invoke, and orchestrate the third party services. Actually, intelligent platform provides the industrial software, control system, and embedded computing platforms to optimize the customer's assets and equipments. So their goal is to help the customers grow the profitability of their business through high performance solutions facilitated by the industrial internet. Then the next technique is immersive experience. So immersive experience is a, we can say, mixed reality of augmented reality and virtual reality. So the mixed reality is changing the way that people perceive and interact with the digital world. And when we are combining it with the conversational platforms, the fundamental shift in the user experience to an invisible and immersive experience is emerging. So the immersive experience related to augmented reality and virtual reality is already changing the world around us. The augmented reality is an enhanced version of reality where live, direct, or indirect views of physical real world environments are augmented with superimposed computer generated images over a user's view of the real world, thus enhancing the perception of reality. And virtual reality, it requires you to inhabit an entirely virtual environment. Augmented reality uses your existing natural environment and overlays virtual information on top of it. So, as both virtual and real worlds harmoniously coexist, use of augmented reality experiences new and improved natural world where virtual information is used as a tool. In most augmented reality applications, the user sees synthetic and natural light. So this is done by overlaying projected images. So over the next 5 years, the focus will be on mixed reality, which is emerging, as well as immersive experience of choice, where the user interacts with digital and real world objects while maintaining the presence in the physical world. So these are few recent trends that we have seen. Now the remaining we will see in our next section. Thank you.